Hey guys, this is Derek from moderncastle.com. Today we'll be taking a look at some of the best Shark vacuum cleaners on the market. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. There's no shortage of different models and varieties out there, and many models can look really similar. This guide is designed to better help you understand the differences between the various Shark models and ultimately decide which vacuum is best for you. The Shark lineup includes many different vacuums ranging from powerful uprights, portable handhelds, and even autonomous robots. The price point for the Shark vacuum generally falls in that middle of the road range. Nothing unbelievably expensive with excessive bells and whistles, but certainly nice enough to provide a quality clean. Today we're going to focus on 7 of the most popular Shark vacuum cleaners, including a variety of different vacuum types. First, we've got the Shark Navigator. The Navigator is one of the most popular styles of Shark vacuum, and for good reason. This series is reasonably priced and comes in a wide variety of different submodels. 3 of the most popular submodels include the Navigator Liftaway Pro, the Navigator Pro, and the Navigator Freestyle. The Navigator Liftaway is a traditional upright vacuum. As the name indicates, it includes a canister that lifts away from the body of the vacuum. This allows you to vacuum harder to reach places like stairs or tight areas without dragging the entire vacuum around. It has an extra large dustbin canister that can hold up to 2.2 quarts of debris, almost twice the capacity of the Shark Rotator Liftaway, which is another model that we'll touch on in a bit. On the downside, the Navigator Liftaway is a little more difficult to maneuver compared to the newer lightweight stick vacuums. We tested the Shark Navigator in our cleaning lab, and the performance on high pile carpet was a little lacking, in my opinion, where it only captured about 60% of debris on average during our cleaning tests. However, the Shark Navigator Pro dominated hard surfaces and low pile carpets where it scored an average of 95%. The regular Shark Navigator Pro, also known as the NV70, is similar to the Pro Liftaway with one main difference: no lift-out canister. The standard Navigator Pro has the advantages of coming in at a lower price point and also a higher dustbin capacity, up to 3.5 dry quarts. As potential disadvantages, the Shark Navigator Pro is a little harder to maneuver than the Liftaway. It doesn't have the option of the lighter canister and is about 2 pounds heavier as an upright compared to the Liftaway Pro. If you're looking for something even more lightweight, you may be interested in the Shark Navigator Freestyle. This model is one of Shark's most affordable upright vacuums. It's a bit of a cross between an upright and a stick vacuum due to its compact size and maneuverability. It's cordless, bagless, and lightweight at just a little over 7 pounds. It comes with 2 power settings, one for carpet and one for hard flooring. One possible disadvantage with this vacuum: many third-party reviewers note that this vacuum doesn't feel like a replacement for a full traditional upright vacuum. However, they still note that it is good for quick cleans. The Shark Rotator Liftaway Pro is another one of Shark's most popular models. There are a few important differences that we'll want to note between the Rotator and the Navigator. The Rotator has a smaller dustbin capacity and is heavier, 15.5 pounds for the Rotator versus 13.7 pounds for the Navigator Liftaway Pro. But what it lacks in dustbin size and weight, it makes up for in overall cleaning performance and lower annual maintenance costs. Overall, the Shark Rotator drives and feels like a higher quality vacuum, while the Navigator feels a little bit more baseline. The Rotator performed well in our cleaning test, scoring an 86% overall. As with the Navigator, the biggest struggle for the Rotator was on high pile carpets. For cleaning on the go, the Shark Pet Perfect 2 is one of Shark's most popular handheld models. The Pet Perfect 2 is compact, cordless, and inexpensive. It comes with 3 accessories, including a crevice tool, bristle brush, and motorized brush roll, in addition to the charging cradle. Of course, with something so small, it's certainly not going to be the end-all be-all of vacuum cleaners. During our cleaning test, the Pet Perfect 2 performed exceptionally well, scoring 98% across all 3 floor types. The biggest downside to the Pet Perfect 2 is the battery. A new battery costs as much as an entire new unit. So if the battery dies, you'll probably have to replace the entire unit. If you're looking for something with more bells and whistles, Shark does offer a few ultra high-end models, including their Shark Ion Flex and Shark Apex models. There are a couple different versions within each of these models, but the 2 most popular are the Shark Ion Flex Duo Clean and the Shark Apex Powered Liftaway. Ion means cordless, and flex means flexible stick in the shark world. The Duo Clean signifies their newest technology that is basically an advanced brush roll. It uses 2 brush rolls to collect debris of all sizes. Despite the new bells and whistles, there are 2 small disadvantages to the Ion Flex Duo Clean, including a relatively short runtime as well as a fairly high price tag. The Apex Duo Clean Power Liftaway is another advanced shark vacuum. The Duo Clean technology on the Apex is basically identical to that of the Ion Flex vacuum. It has the dual brush roll and is able to easily clean up large debris. The Apex is also a liftaway model. Like the Navigator or Rotator, the Apex liftaway has a removable canister that allows you to carry a portable version of the vacuum around as you clean. Lastly, let's talk about the Apex. Apex includes a variety of advanced pieces and parts, including Duo Clean technology, HEPA filtration, an anti-allergen complete seal system, noise reduction technology, the liftaway canister, and active glide technology for a smoother cleaning run. All these fancy items basically mean better cleaning performance, especially with small particles, less noise, and better mobility. Well guys, that is it for this review. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please drop us a note down below. We're always available to help. If you didn't like what you saw today, give us a thumbs down. But if you thought it was cool, we'd love your thumbs up. Make sure to check out some of our other videos. Get subscribed if you'd like to see more from us. And visit us over at moderncastle.com. We've got the full write-up as well as other guides, tutorials, videos, and a whole lot more. As always, thank you so much for watching.